Okay, we got this little flat flashlight here. It came in a 2-pack. They sent these just so we could show them to you. And it's just kind of a cool little flat flashlight here. And it has the little power button on the side here. You can see it's got the little floodlight on the side. It's got 2 different intensities for the flashlight there. And I mean, for the floodlight there. And then on the end, it has a little spotlight on the end here. And so you got 2 different versions there, floodlight, spotlight, and it's rechargeable. There's the little clippy hook thing there. You can hang it from there, or just hang it on your waistband, or wherever you want to hang that there, on your backpack or your pocket, or wherever you want to there. A little power button right there. But it also has, well, there's the charging port there under that little flap to keep the dust and dirt out of there, but has magnets on the end of it. And let's just see if we can, oh, here's a dishwasher right here. I'll just show you. Ta-da! Right there. Just sticks right there. So yeah, it's pretty handy. And I'm in a 2-pack, and when it's charging up, the little charging port right there, it kind of has a little red glow right in here. And then when it's green, it's all the way charged up. The other one is actually charging up over there with my my charging cord over there by my my computer right. Actually, this is out of the package already. Oops, sorry. It's already just out of the package. It's already got enough charge on it to use it and stuff. But it's going to be really super duper handy. And I think we're going to put one in the car and one over in the office over by the desktop computer. So yeah, pretty handy. Cool stuff. Thank you.